Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing's set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if minute up on the beat, and it can't see upon the screen. Rosalie is crashing out again, upon Raiku, You see, master, yesterday, right, did I ask her a bag of things? What got on after Valentine's Day? Like, did you actually get, Akeem D? I see, you know what. You see, master, and instead of saying yes or no, she just hagalaga baga with a bag of things. You see, master, I know she's back at it again, saying people them too invested in her life. And she could have been invested in a Roy Q life because she see him do a bag of foolishness. But him want put up, him want dash for himself because I'm back on business, leak out a roadside and all of them things. And about him pitney and all of this stuff. So she don't want nobody to come in her private life. What she sure know is what to not get. You know what I mean? So let's hear what I go on from that to go on and proceed with the next.
The man ask the people I can come on my comments and say, watch out. Lead me home, lead me. Then me can't sleep on live, Then come in a trad wait now. What long this a car boss, yeah? Hey, whoa. One thing me have to say, look, me not gonna say much. And people can type, you see. Them all, some of them all back, yeah. One thing me have to say, I mean not say much. Vanya, I want your class me and rip up the pit them and rip up jakes. Rip me up, rip up the pit them and rip up jakes. I don't blame you.
Hey guys, this is what we should do so.
Somebody tagged me night last night.
This is so sudden, and I hope you all listen listening to this.
And my message me a check. Bless up, what's your true? Don't even like the ads. Try when I enter the ranking, you tell them my neck. Me say the boy cut me up in the corner. Me soon me a come, me a drink me look sit and me a come. So you know say me go black right Q. Right Q the on the verge of getting black. No, for true, you know why, right? You're on the verge of getting black. TikTok investigator. Uno go on like uno too slick. Me not nice, Me's not a nice person. Right, you on the verge of getting black. And right, you have one more chance with me. Come remember, right, you come here already, and ball for me. Come here, come ball for me. How me wicked? How me have people at him? What did I miss? Dance kitchen relax. Right in the verge of getting black. Me not a nice person. Right in the verge of getting black. Me not nice. Right? Me not like when you know over and go like when you too slick. You come already your ball for me chat back to you. What do you when you come here? Are you depressed? I never come over. When I see you upon life, I never come there. Come try to be clear. Me say me no know. Me tell you say, it's how when Pisha come and say, Pisha me have disgusting. Cause the world not nice. Pisha me after disgusting cause the world not nice. You can't walk every day so. You may use it against you cause them say you're idiot. How you smile for vicious in the blood clot should I look at you two of them. I saw me go about life. What do you want him come over here and say put up on him store so I'm gonna analyze himself? I'm me alone. I never throw him and I need the bus. Me come here. I mean, no, I can talk to him and jovial. And by the end of the night, I have right you smile. Right you what you do? Right you know me bust up on you. By the end of the night, me Rosalie wanna class daily. Have you smiling? You come, you have 6,000 much in people over there say I talk story. You pass and whatever you. And you were so depressed. You put up a suicide note. And I mean alone to where you have to shake up yourself. Come back to reality that pass and gone. People love you already and people are going to love you after and before. Come back to your senses. I'm saying when we don't talk to RaiQ by the end of our discussion, RaiQ is smiling, the depression gone. And you come over here last night like you want to me and need the blood clot, boss. RaiQ, me no want for liberty here, you know. Cause me no nice. Me no nice. Me no nice, you know. Oh. Cause me want, you know. From I born out of my mama in 1993, 1 year, 1 month. I force me buck up in a people so invested. The people them so invested if 2 person grind. From me born out of my mama, I force me buck up in a people so invested if 2 people are grind. What the problem? What so? Every day so? No, sir. 2 people are grind. Everybody are wobble. After Valentine's Day, what happened? Alright, I don't want class here, you know. I don't want to rub you out. Me not nice, you know. Don't play the ball game there with me. I hope you get this message. Don't play about the ball game there with me. Come on, nice, you know. I assume I'm not going to argue with you. I'm just going to back and I'm going to go on now. Come in a blood clot, nice. Just say you have a son. I'm never asked where your son they yet. You say you have a son, I'm never sit down and ask where your son there yet. Me see picture circulate to the overhead. I'm never sit down and question there yet. Me never ask you no question. And you know, I notice who don't know when you look a stinking gal them, and you look a done mouth gal them, and you look a stinking cockroach people them, come jump us and go over like a type, you sit down and read it. I'm gonna like you know where you are, right? You don't play with me. Me not gonna argue with you now. I black me, I go black on from my blood clad phone. At 2026 now. Me not walk and look friend. Cause I know from anyone I want a friend, my enemy, no want a friend for you. Cause them say no come. I know all of my enemy, them not for ball out them name. Cause I not see them. I say anyone I want a friend, my enemy, them. I know one of my enemy a friend. Me no want a friend for you. So stop request me, avoid me, no see me. Who all of my enemy, me know them pan this. Who bad mind me, who wish me don't fall, me know the whole I know. I know one reason me chat to someone, sometimes I look at game. Yeah, but me know by name and nature and art. You never know. So, don't feel I'm fool, I'm stupid, I'm not no sense. I want the mascot. Me not play hypocrite with you, you know. I want to play it with me and me a smile. Cause you can't, when a human being, you can't construct, hold yourself together. Come on, know why me not really ask a girl if she and a boy a grind for. That is not my business. I want to tell if a drink come our constructs. What sense it make? That's not my business. And that is the thing with them and me. Them living in my business, I want for them business, but me not look on it. Me not look on it. Me not look on it. Come in, no, I know. Me not have to look on the business and me know, you know, when for the business boss, me know. Me not gonna say I told you so, and yes, now cure me and them in an argument and Tori come about them next week. Me never yet sit down and you not see me now comment section and chat about them. Not even the screen a card me now want to say I want me hear me not chat about it. Cause sometimes I see a screen a card and sometimes I hear and chat about it. Me just hold my composure because me know I never live no life and back then, you know. Cause a person where I live life not invest in people business, you know. They invest in the life for them I live. And some know not live no life. All I know, especially girl when I get to morning time, no know to brush your teeth. And Rosalie and the boy I love by me, I make the boy blood clot love by me. How much love band you take on a woman? Me no want a girl. I told you can't burn a life of false teeth and bumbo. Me no want no girl dictate to me but no boy. We never get it last year when I tell you 28th of February. Me no want no girl. No girl will have no big one like myself. Dictate to me about a boy. No girl will have no big one like myself. Dictate to me about no boy. Yeah. How the world we get love bomb, Sam and Tam. Look how much away. They're with man, married to man. A man go to and breed and can't pick it up over collect it like a few one. Look how much away. Look how much away. Married to man, a man grind down the whole fam, do what the sister down to the auntie will take it, cause we a man gone. Me no want a girl who have no big crutches like myself. Dictate to me about a boy. Go worry about your old. I told you can't burn a life of false teeth and bumbo. Me no want a girl do dictate to me about a body. Me don't know my mama. Not in my business. Bite out my crutches. Me don't know a friend no question me. Me last time I check me a big woman. Oh. I mean, you don't want to come all torrid people. Don't question me. Don't ask me blood clot nothing. Someone don't live a house, man, a man that not look pound no. Wake up, go work and come in and find bed. I don't can't ask him where I come from. Don't never want a papi show. Someone don't even look like on the mate, but you don't have mate. You can't chat to me. Someone don't even look like on the mate, or don't have mate. You know the worst thing, I could have done about a boy take a girl when me no look like me and in my caliber. And that hurt. Though in an argument with me, my mouth no nice. And I can't tell me none for hurt me, because I said me for really go on some dictionary and Bible verse, my mouth bust pound. I hold it down. And I can't tell me nothing for me. And the thing one can't tell me, anything want to tell me, I can't tell me about Aka. Pour up. Gonna go like man want no. Man want somebody no question me. Don't question me. I can tell you just smell yourself again. You come here, me and you. Well, for restriction, me know.
And now we'll take a listen to what happened yesterday that transpired to the day.
And so, I don't want to be in a relationship.
I'm a true, I don't want to tell about me and the boy.
But what? Okay, if you're so happy in love, why can't you tell about you and the boy? If you're so happy.
I never tell her that.
So, okay, did you guys do anything after the Valentine night?
Huh?
Did you have sex after the Valentine night? If you have sex, and if listen to me, if you didn't have sex Valentine's night, you would have feel so happy for stay. Why not say nothing? Answer me now. Step aside now. Tell him that.
Stop me look 2 money gun.
Roy Q wants to take over.
Stop me look 2 money gun.
Why don't you answer? You never answer me question yet.
Because them answer me good at this yo. I show me know some of the type that you read it to me like I think.
Oh no! I'm not reading. Okay, let me show you something. I'm going to close this. Rose, let me you know me. Look, let me take off the comment section. Hold on. Let me show you. How you take off the comment section again? Oh, yeah, take off the comment section. Hold on now. You know, say I swear to God, me not looking at the comment section. Comment. I'm gonna take off now.
Right, you, me ask that question.
No, man, me not go. Rose, you know,
Right, you.
I'm gonna take off comment section.
Right,
Hold on now.
you.
Man, take off the comments. Hold on, me take off the comments.
Right, you. Come
Yeah,
here.
yeah, babes. Hold on, babes. Hold on.
What do you want grind we do?
What do you mean?
Yeah, me and the boy
Valentine?
fuck Valentine.
Okay, you answer. That's it. I'm
The boy fuck up my choke back on my hole.
Bumble.
Wow.
But you know, you tell me, say, I suck dick. When
Me can't do anything.
when me tell you,
Life a shark.
when me ask,
Listen,
when you ask me,
listen. Ask me a question. You want to know too much things?
Okay, go ahead.
You want to know?
Putting in the comment section if you think say Roy Crew did a passing place. And I asked Rosalie if should I get the body. You say, man, I say, honestly, I don't think it's nothing wrong. You feel me? Like, yeah, you say, man, I say Rose. But nevertheless, there's some other people that's invested in Rosalie life. TikTok liar, RT Boss chimes in on Akeem new house and or him buy the furniture for him new house and not leave Rosalie with nothing after him promise her all of a bag of things. You know what I mean?
Indian man sell them too, but them expensive. If I see the layout, you know, Airbnb that.
You can play if you show like in a show. And it so happens to RT when they move to the house, everything RT, nobody not moving a house one time and
especially
everything
that
fixed up.
toaster. You see that
You know that
toaster? The
toaster
toaster
well
is
neat.
famous for Airbnb.
Yeah, Airbnb that.
Yeah, those toasters.
Look at the cupboard. Does those cupboard
Oh
look
God, Jesus,
familiar?
Lisa, what you playing me for?
You don't want to say
Oh, no, but find one different one. Oh, I'm here analyze the house. I'm here to
No, but
analyze.
that's an Airbnb man. Airbnb man.
Yeah, it's an Airbnb. It's an Airbnb, but him come and say like him get new and my show bedroom set him a show closet with shoes.
That's Airbnb.
But RT like RT for them house always see the alright, steam the RT.
That
and show it.
again, let me show you now. That's Airbnb.
Somebody pay them $10 for come say that. Thank you though. It no sub, you know?
That's all the more about you know, so.
Yep.
Why then the two teeth, the jocular teeth, they're not female, only
You need to send him go your dentist. You need to send him go your dentist.
Well, I Rosalie teeth them and
It's about the subscription. You know, view your house. That's all. Hold on there.
No, man, in show him, man, he show all the picture and stuff. Look if you see no more video. He show all, alright, see the
Yeah,
him show the bed there.
Alright, that's an Airbnb again. That's an Airbnb. That's Airbnb.
Bella, that's not the same floor. Look on the floor and the current room went
That's
in.
Airbnb.
No, a Rose house that
That's
one there.
Rose.
A Rose house.
Rose Airbnb.
Yeah, where she didn't know what that. Yeah, show that again, Lisa. Make RT see it. After Rose won that.
That's how you lay out an Airbnb. You say, well, decor, the decor. No, Rosalie and him not have no decor intelligence about them. Well, the curtain.
And I think where they went wrong is when them said the kids them is that's their room over there. Oh, you have a full side bed for a boy and a girl. You'd buy
But that look girly.
yeah,
too.
you'd
The
buy
bed
a
look
bunk
girly.
bed for them or two twin bed in the room.
RT, that was the only night we see the room. We don't see it from that.
That's Airbnb, man. That's
So
Airbnb.
RT, the same night she moving, him a claim to say him set up everything. RT,
No, that's Airbnb, man.
But RT, nobody move in a house and everything does. You have everything right away. No, sir.
No, and not even, well, and not, yeah, everything you look at it. Look.
Remember, she said she never know where she a move going on, and when she got there, the boy set up everything. You remember
everything.
And the elegancy of the place, the atmosphere, the rhythm, the whole chemistry of the place, the both of them. For sure, you say they have no attachment to the place. Because I not bring down them thing, but at the end of the day, for you see the elegancy and the upliftment of the place, this is an Airbnb.
Me say the boy said they set up everything, curtain up everything. You know how long when me move, so me take before certain things come together. You just want to know say get the place, and when they get the place, you're so tired. All they want to make sure it's fit up on the bed.
But all I can say, it nice. I mean like them desire, I mean like them in.
Rosalie said, "I them best topic, you know, so you know what to do, people. Because we're not going to long long. I'm just going to give them a quick update. While go on, because we have some serious updates for drop after this. You see, man, says to do the right thing and like and share my video them 1,000 times on all social media platforms and subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever me I drop the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.